Hello everyone, I'm Shilpa Lawrence from Kerala. I have cleared my CA final first group in May 2022 examination and I have an exemption in second group. I have 64 in FR and 92 in GFRS. Basically FR is my favorite subject, but I didn't get any practical exposure in that area during my articleship days. So I was so particular that I need to take up the class from someone who can teach the subject from the very base, because Indias was totally new to me at that time. And then one of my friends suggested CG sir to me and I purchased his classes towards the end of my articleship days. I would say his classes are truly worth, because he takes each concept so interestingly and so in depth that we really get to understand things and we'll get a very good knowledge in the subject. It's not about any rigid formats or journal entries that you memorize. You'll be able to think and solve each question on your own. And I think that is what gave me the courage to take GFRS as my elective. About the preparations, I would say after the classes, I did my for the first round of revision. I completed the entire set of question banks given by sir, and for my second round of revision, I did the problems from that expected set of questions which he publishes for every attempt. I think it's really helpful because many questions come directly from that. And for my third round, that's a day before the exam, I did some of the questions that I filtered out from my 2 rounds of revision, and then I read out the entire Saransh book. It is really helpful that to just go through on your day before examination, because we'll be able to cover every concept and it's really helpful. Then I would say from the exam point of view, I would like to tell you some things like don't skip any topic, like maybe integrated reporting or CSR, such small topics, theoretical topics. Yeah, you will be able to score good only if you cover the whole syllabus. So don't skip such topics. And another thing is FR is not 100% problematic paper. You will have to write down theory, and even for those problem based questions, you'll have to write down the concept before you'll have to write down the concept which you are going to apply in that question. So be ready for that. Be ready to write down things. And another thing is IC always follows step marking. So don't skip any steps, maybe because of time constraint and all. You will be trying to write little fast, but still at least for the questions which you are confident on, write down entire steps. Otherwise, even if your answer is right, you will not be able to score full marks. So that is another that's an important point you should keep in mind. And about GFRS, I would say once you complete the FR classes, and if you are confident in FR, you can definitely go for GFRS because the syllabus is pretty much same. And about the books to be carried for GFRS, I would say you should mandatorily take INTAS Saransh book, and then you can note down the differences between INTAS and IFRS or IAS and the US GAAP. And then you should also take the case study digest issued by ICAI, because I say this because there are direct questions from that set, and if the question is not direct, you will be able to solve them easily with the help of India's Saransh book and all. And whenever you are taking this case study digest or any other question banks with you, always prepare an index of the same, because for the exam you won't be able to go through each question and see if it's the same. So if you will prepare an index, it will be really helpful. I think for the case study digest of ICAI, you will be able to get the index online. Even if you didn't get, it's okay, you can prepare it on your own. So that's what I have to say. All the best for those who are appearing for the November 22 examination. Best wishes. God bless you. Thank you.